So let's solve this complex number question. So if x plus y is equals to 3 over 2 plus cos theta plus I sine theta, find x squared plus y squared. All right, so you have to find the value of x squared plus y squared. So let's start with writing x plus iy is equals to 3 over 2 plus cos theta in one bracket, because those are real number, that's the real part of the complex number, and I sine theta is the imaginary part. All right, so we know first we will have to multiply and divide with the conjugate to rationalize the denominator. So that's going to be 2 plus cos theta minus I sine theta, and we'll divide it with the same thing, I sine theta. All right, so once we have done that, now let's see what we get. So we get 3 bracket 2 plus cos theta minus I sine theta, and in the denominator we have a plus b and a minus b, so that will become a square minus b square, right? So that will become 2 plus cos theta square minus I sine theta square. Okay, now let's see what we get. So we get 2 plus cos theta minus I sine theta in the numerator, and the denominator, when we expand the brackets, we will get 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos squared theta. And then here, let me do it separately first. So that is going to give us I square sine square theta, right? And I square is minus 1 sine square theta, and it's already 1 minus there, so minus minus becomes plus. So we're going to get plus sine square theta, right? Now let's go further. So we have 3 2 plus cos theta minus I sine theta over 4 plus 4 cos theta, and here cos square theta plus sine square theta, this one is a trig identity, and we know that this is equals to 1, right? So we will now substitute that as 1, so that will leave us with here plus 1. Okay, now let's go further. Let's see what else we can do. So we have 3 bracket 2 plus cos theta as your real part, right? And minus 3I sine theta as your imaginary part. And if we put the denominators separately, let's separate the denominators, we will have 5 plus 4 cos theta, 5 plus 4 cos theta. All right, and here we have x plus iy that we started with. So we started with x plus iy. Now we will do real and imaginary parts. We'll separate them. All right, so real part is x is equals to 3, 2 plus cos theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta, and your imaginary part is y is equals to minus 3 sine theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta. So now we have x and y, so we know the values of x and y, and in the question they are asking us to find x squared plus y squared. All right, so now we will square both the parts and add them. All right, so now we are doing squaring and adding, right? So that will give us x square plus y square. Okay, so that is now going to be 2 plus cos theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus minus 3 sine theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. All right, so now let's simplify this now. So 3 square will become 9. And in the bracket, again, if we expand the bracket, it's going to be 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos squared theta. And in the denominator, we have 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. I'm not expanding the denominator because we will have the same denominators for both the fractions. So let's see if we can get around without expanding. Plus, on the other, we will have minus 3 square will be 9 sine square theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Again, now we can combine them together, and we have 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square as a denominator, and on the top, if I expand 9 with that as well, it will give me 9 times 4 is 36 plus 36 cos theta plus 9 cos squared theta plus 9 sine squared theta. Right, again, if here I take 9 common, I will have 9 cos squared theta plus sine squared theta, right? And that is equals to, and this is equals to 1, so it's going to become 9 times 1 is equals to 9. So we can substitute that in place, can substitute that in place of here, this, right? So let's do that now. So we have now 36 plus 36 cos theta plus 9 over 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. All right, 36 plus 9 will give us 45 plus 36 cos theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Now here 45 and 36 we can have 9 as common, and we are left with 5 plus 4 cos theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So this square and this whole bracket will cancel. So we are left with the answer x square plus y square is equals to 9 over 5 plus 4 cos theta. Yep. Cool. That was a nice question. Cool. Have a good day.